Right after you enter the Meridian Gate, you can see the Grand Hall of the Supreme Harmony. It is the most dignified building in the Forbidden City. Built above 3 levels of marble stone base and surrounded by bronze incense burners, the Hall of Supreme Harmony is the largest surviving wooden structure in China and rises some 30 meters, which is 98 feet above the level of the surrounding square. It is the ceremonial center of the imperial power, where the emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasty hosted their enthronement and wedding ceremonies. Some old painters can reveal how grand the ceremonies were. Golden dragon designs dominate the hall's exterior and interior decor. The 10 figurines at each of its roof corners distinguish it as superior to other ancient buildings. During grand rituals or ceremonies, the emperor ascended the throne to imperial music, inspecting the empire and receiving greetings and congratulations from his subjects. Set into the ceiling at the center of the hall is an intricate caisson decorated with a coiled dragon, from the mouth of which issues an chandelier-like set of metal balls. The Hall of Central Harmony is a smaller, square hall located at the back of the Hall of Supreme Harmony. It is used by the emperor to prepare and rest before and during the ceremonies. Walk past the Hall of Central Harmony. We can now see the Hall of Preserving Harmony. Rectangular in plan, the Hall of Preserving Harmony is similar to, but smaller in scale than the Hall of Supreme Harmony. The hall was used for rehearsing ceremonies and was also the site of the final stage of the imperial examination.